Today on the channel we will be rebuilding Aberdeen. Aberdeen are a club with rich heritage that dates back to 1903. Did you know Aberdeen have never been relegated from the top league in Scotland? This is where Aberdeen currently sit in the table. As you can see, they are miles off second place and are closer to the bottom of the table than the top. Can we restore this club to their former glory? And maybe win one of these? Quick question, who do you think will go down from the Premier League this season? Before we get into the video, can I just ask that if you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to never miss any more rebuilds. Okay, let's see what team we are working with.
There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it.
Wow, this team is bad. No offense to any Aberdeen fans. I think that we need to buy a new striker, an actual right back, and a right wing. Here are the players I think we should buy.
Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back? You ain't never ever gonna break it. You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give it them, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give it them, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore, I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds, talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Aren't you just gonna take that? Or will you fucking fight back?
First signing complete.
Or will you fucking fight back? Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated, but she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a coke thing, she likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely, I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a
Second signing made. Welcome Evan Ferguson.
baby, show me.
right back, signing complete.
Good in a sundress. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say
Season has finished, time to see how we did. 5th place, wow, that is terrible. We have to do better next season. I'm surprised we didn't get sacked. Season roundup.
got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going.
Okay, so the start of Season 2 commences, and we have a job to do here at Aberdeen. We have a budget of 6 million, and I think we need a new left back, as the other one is only 65 rated.
She likes to keep the party going.
I'm thinking we get De Kuiper from Club Brugge.
I want that body, baby, show me.
There you go, we have De Kuiper, and he only cost us 4.8 million. We have signed Ajer Akets to replace Leighton Clarkson, who was on loan from last season.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only
We have signed a young Regan midfielder in Caicedo. He will slot right into our midfielder. We then went and brought a Regan center back in Ollie and an experienced center back in Paul Dummett. They will boss our back line this season.
looking back, I'ma keep myself on track, keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along, push myself to be the best, die with no regrets, live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens, life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing, never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
So at the end of the season, we get 4th place in the table, and we have improved, yet we haven't improved enough. We ended up only 3 points off second.
Oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to I don't want no fake love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path, if you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at, yeah, how you can get it back, yeah, cause I ain't never
I wasn't recording, but here are the transfers we made.
until I get just what I want, yeah. Rises like the sun, yeah. Fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won, yeah. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to
The team is looking really good now with the new signing we have made.
finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being
So the end of season 3, and let's see how we did.
what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah.
Wow, we won the league. Our top scorer this year was Evan Ferguson.
I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable.
The top assister here was Akets, and Rooney Bargee had an alright season with 11 goals and 7 assists.
But damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
It's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless.
Straight into season 4 with a new signing to strengthen the midfield.
And all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough. We'd hook up in my car, driving so far. Play you guitar, you'd show me your art. Let down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Drinking too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun.
So far, we have signed Arthur for free and Gundogan for free. They are 2 free signings that massively boost the midfield.
Lights come on.
We have just signed Levi Colwill for free, and he is a wonderkid defender from England.
It's too late now, I remember everything.
We have signed Oscar to be a cam for us, and he is 76 rated.
Could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be.
We signed Brekalo to be a squad player in our defense. We have signed Santiago to be on the bench and support our midfield and be a really good squad player.
Felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud. We were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless. Time was precious. We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate, running away. We live for today, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be.
Season 4 ends, and we finished in 4th place. Season 5 begins, and we have 40 million euros to spend.
It's too late now, I remember everything.
I think we are going to try to buy Yasin Adli, as Gundogan is really going down in his overall.
And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. And how careless we could be. yeah. I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love, still gonna die for what I love, still gonna try, I won't give up, still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till
Yasin Adli has been brought for €33.5 million plus Gundogan. Here is what the team looks like for Season 5.
mentally and physically, studied them religiously so I don't repeat history. And people won't admit to me they don't want a victory bad enough to get a C. They'd rather just go leave it be. And oh, this journey I've been on since 13, working hard and learning, never stopping searching. Yeah, it's burning, all this passion hurts me. I took action working, writing down these words. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm just barely getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret, cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no.
We take a loss to Wolfsburg at home, that's not good. Ouch, looks like we have been knocked out of the conference by Wolfsburg. They were just as strong.
My hands steady, I feel ready, but my legs heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finally earning something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked unconscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm on it, honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime.
Into Season 6, and guess who we have signed?
Cause it's shocking, dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live, not die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it, yeah.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro.
That's right, we have signed Morato from Monza for a fair price of $40 million.
I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never off it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the fucking king of rock, bitch. Profit, spitting hot shit. Off topic, chronic. I think I'm motherfucking lost it. Back, matter of fact, Making racks where it's at. Have my back to the mat. Not an act, that's a fact. We attack in a pack. Don't react, no react. Think I'm black off his back. While I rap, not to step. Throw a jab, give a crap. We're advanced, I'm the man. Got a plan better than most brands. Goddamn, I'm a rhyme till I die. Never lie, that's a lie. I don't try, I defy. Get to die, that I'm right, yeah. Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone, and you know that I'm ready for it.
We have gone and signed wonder kid Alfie Divine for free-to-play cam this season.
All these people wanna know what you think of them lately. Do you really love me or do you really hate me? On a scale of 1 to 10, what would you grade me? All this social media has got me going crazy lately. Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man I really hate it. God I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit. Living in the real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Steal time back from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive.
And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it.
Yeah, let's go.
I'm gonna get it,
yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. Fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from these haters. Playing tracks for the traitors. Got the passion and that's when it happens.
We have a Champions League game against Bayern Leverkusen, and hopefully we come out on top.
Facing the madness, I'm out gaining traction. Avoid the distractions, I'm snapping, no captions. Attracting reactions, adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking.
A 2-all draw away from home is pretty good now. All we have to do is win at home and we are through to the next round.
Into habits, so I will go capture it, and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it. Put them on blast it, they will never last it. Don't be so dramatic, not my demographic. This shit is democratic, they phone effects, yeah, bitch. I don't get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it, I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest, I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest,
and we are through to the next round, but not very confidently.
And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up, I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup, we bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud, sounds like we're sold out. In front of a whole crowd, we lose control now. I'll take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me.
The start of the new season, and we have been busy strengthening our squad in the transfer market.
Constantly, so stop and breathe and find out who you wanna be.
We have signed Chris Baumgartner for 47 million euros. We have also signed Busanello, and I believe he would be a good squad player for us and can back up the left-back position. I believe we have the squad to win the Champions League this season.
Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, there ain't an option.
Atletico Madrid, and I think we should win this one.
Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous, cause I will not quit, no.
Ouch, we lost to Atletico Madrid, and we need a win away from home to stay in the competition. Away from home, and we really need to win to stay with a chance to win the Champions League. That is a massive win, and we are through to the next round.
It's too late for you, not for of me. I don't give a fuck if you got a college degree. Did you learn anything? Really worth anything? 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact.
We need to win at home against Bayern.
And tell the world they can suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your...
Oh no, that's a bad loss, but we can still get back into this game. We need to win by at least 2 goals to stay in the competition and advance to the next round.
Now, a life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how.
No, a 1-1 draw means we are no longer in the competition. See you at the end of the season.
Opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up on your dream if it's what you deserve.
End of the season and we won the Scottish Cup. We have signed Almada from Bayern Leverkusen and he will be good in the midfield however the team is looking and hopefully we can go one step further in the Champions League this season.
Failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me, failure ain't an option, so I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this, work until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now.
We have signed Ahmed to back up the cam spot and the midfield.
Don't try to stop me now.
We have signed Akpinner to strengthen the bench and midfield. We have signed Akpom for squad depth in the striker position. I have skipped all the way to the quarter-final this time and we have just dispatched of Bayern Munich who knocked us out last time. Real Madrid in the semi-finals and we need to win this one to be through to the final. Nice, we have won the first leg through a Nusa goal. Second leg now, can we finally get to the final of the Champions League?
Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack, fast fatal heart impact, past painful scars, in fact I blast tasteful.
That's a massive 3-1 win over Real Madrid and we are through to the final of the Champions League. We won the Scottish Premier League, the Scottish Cup, and so can we add a Champions League to that trophy tally.
Moment for any young player, and this is what you dream about when you start playing football. When you're playing in the playground, you want to win a cup. Brilliant moment.
It's a special moment in the career of any footballer. And now for the trophy lift itself. The cup winners.
Well, you can just see what it means to those players and the manager. That's fantastic stuff.
There's always the element of chance in a cup competition, but my goodness, they've taken the rough with the smooth, and now they savour the moment.
Well, for some of these players, it will be the pinnacle of their careers. They just have to take it all in now and realise what they've achieved here. It doesn't come much better than this, does it? And just look at those fans. They've followed their club everywhere.
Yeah, really a match made in heaven between players and fans. And these celebrations are going to continue for quite some time. And now the players get to...
Listen, limitless while others out there spitting shit. Got hits up on the charts and shit. I see why other artists quit, cause people don't reward good shit. They love to hate but hate to live. Society, you swing and miss. And honestly, I get it. Promise me you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit. Bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss. Be a legend, not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious. Rapping honest as promise. Try to harness. As an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest.
Here we go, and can we win and end this rebuild?
When I drop this, I gotta make it now. Swear to God. working out. Swear to God I'll take a bow. Stand the stage with the crowd, cause I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud. Saying modest but I'm
Long
proud.
season,
No, I never
the
had a
Champions
doubt.
League
Yeah.
finals. Only 2 teams left in the battle for Europe's Premier Club competition.
Nice interception from Baumgartner. Plays it to Barge-G. Barge-G puts through Ferguson.
Real chance.
What a goal, and only 3 minutes in what a start.
There's the opener. How about that?
Well, here's the goal again, and what a wonderfully weighted pass this is. And once he gets onto it, he just smashes it past the keeper with great technique. What an emphatic finish that is.
So back underway, and here's the question, can Milan articulate the rush?
Baumgartner plays it to Barge-G.
On the flash.
Dashed past his man. Shoots. Save.
And that's fantastic goalkeeping to get across and deal with the danger. A short corner here. And a decent delivery. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity.
Milan with a crossing opportunity. Baumgartner to Barge-G. Sadly, the move didn't come too much. Almada running with the ball round the defense.
It's looking promising.
Through ball past Ferguson and ends in the hands of Milan's defense. Milan play their striker through on goal.
This could be the equaliser.
What a save to keep us 1-0 ahead.
How about that?
Well, at least he hit the target, but he should really beat the keeper from there. They should.
The Olympiastadion.
They want the best.
45 minutes separating these two sides from glory. The second half of the Champions League final begins. Milan doing well to
Milan are
regain
played
possession.
through in front of goal.
Oh, surely! Oh, a goal! He's equalised!
No, 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 how could we let that go, and we have to play better than that.
Like this. Being egged on by the crowd, and a foul.
Free kick, can we go back ahead?
Oh, great technique and accuracy. Madison. It needs an accurate cross. Can he give them the advantage? What a big chance that was. Keeper has the ball.
I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.
Christoph Baumgartner.
You're not just chosen, it takes devotion.
Nusa cutting in from the left-hand side.
Useful play. Opportunity. Oh, it's a goal!
What a goal, we are back in front. Nusa did so well to run round all of those players.
Well, here we can see it again. Look at the way he glides past the defender and creates space for himself. But there's still plenty for him to do. Under all sorts of pressure from the defender, he's just able to keep it at bay and finishes with a plop. It's a great goal.
Time and the scoreline working against Milan, but they're not out of it.
Milan round out defender now with a free shot. Oh no, looks like this could be going to extra time. Really, the defense should have.
Claim the trophy. It's an open question here. Well, back underway here, and they've split the 4 goals between them so far. Can they push ahead in the closing stages? Well, not 5 minutes to go. Cabral.
Cabral into Nusa.
Can he put them in front?
Nusa around all of the defenders. What a goal that could be the winner. What a goal. Nusa may have completed this rebuild.
The Champions League final.
Well, as we see it again, he was never going to miss that, was he? That's a really simple finish in the end.
Well, after losing a goal, the onus is on Milan to respond in an attacking way. And there it is! Full time!
Well, just look at the emotions out there. Joy and relief on one side, despair and heartache on the other. But we've got the right winners here. They fully deserved it on the night.
For these players, well, it's the night of their lives, and they're determined to enjoy every millisecond.
Well, they have to make the most of this, don't they? It's a great feat. What an achievement from them.
Well, they don't need to be reminded about what comes next. It's the presentation of the coveted Champions League trophy.
Well, there's some tired players out there, but what you can be sure of, they'll find some energy when they get their hands on the trophy. They'll be going mad in the next few moments.
We have finally completed the rebuild after 8 seasons and
Here
a
we
tough
go.
battle versus Milan.
The Champions League winners.
Well, this is what they wanted. What a moment for these players. They've worked so hard to win this trophy. They've been fantastic.
And you can feel the emotion. It's natural to reflect on this final, but so much hard work has gone into the entire campaign. Memories, memories. What would a celebration be without the chance to enjoy it with your own supporters?
Well, these fans have certainly played their part, haven't they? They'll savour these moments. They've travelled far and wide to follow their team. They're loving every minute of this, and why not? They deserve it.
A performance of fire as well as ice. They held their nerve when that was necessary. And these celebrations will run long into the night. Looking at the best club side in Europe.
If you made it to the end of the video, comment rebuild so I know you got to the end of the video. Also like and subscribe if you enjoyed.